So today we learn how to make LED strip or LED lighting. So let's say this is my room. Now I'll go outside. I'll make a panel. Alright, first let me take the dimension. First I'll take the dimension. So I need a 9 feet panel. I'll draw a 9 feet line which is 2 feet broad, and then I make a rectangle. Now with the push and pull I'm gonna extrude it 2 inches. I'm making a panel, let's say. Alright, and I need lighting, LED strip, LED lighting behind this. What I'll do, I'm making this a group. Now I'll make a copy of it. Now I'll scale it. I'll make it bit smaller. Not very small, but bit smaller from the sides, from left and right, so that it doesn't show. But the light really exudes, as in the light can be seen. Now I'm going to place it right behind my panel. Right behind my panel, as you can see, like this, because I want the light coming out from behind the panels. Now with the, if for the people who don't know from where to get it, click right right click on your mouse and then you'll see Vray lights. Just enable it. For the ones who have it, I'll show you how it is. For example, I've disabled it and I've enabled it, so now you see these are the Vray lights that are used. So the rightmost, as you can see, this one, this is mesh light option. So this makes any object into mesh light, as in the what you say LED light. So with the object selected, I clicked on the mesh light option, and now it has converted my block into a mesh light. Now let's just place it. This is okay. Any object you want to be converted into LED light, just select it and then click the mesh light button. Now I'll position it in the center of my room, let's say. This is just for example. There are no technicalities here in my, I'm just showing you how to make it. Let's say I've positioned it here. I'm going to position it slightly in the middle. Now make sure that you don't push the mesh light behind the wall. You want it coming out of the wall. So see, as you can see, there's little bit glow. Now you go to the Vray material editor, and from here, from mesh light option, you can adjust it, the setting, any color you want, the neon colors, any color you want. You just select that color. As you can see, so many colors we can get. And from the intensity, whatever intensity you want, see, the more you go, the higher intensity you get, so you can play with it. Now if you don't want the object to be seen, then you can click on invisible. The object will be invisible but the light will be visible. You won't be seeing where the light is coming from, but you can see the light. So and I think that's it. Now let's just, I've slightly increased the intensity to show you that there's no limit. You can do it as per your requirements. As you can see, it is enabled. Thank you for watching.